Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find General Management. Then let's go to this Reset option and scroll to find mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So as you can see, it is divided. So basically the rule is the same. Simply tap on the option, tap on Reset Settings. You will have to confirm everything. And here we've got also more information that this operation cannot be undone. So tap on Reset, and as you can see, we just successfully reset network preferences. So let's go back and we can reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. As you can see, we've got pretty same information, so just tap on Reset Settings and basically this is it. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.